Hey guys! Well, another SSD for unboxing. This time it's ADATA SU800 1TB drive. Well, it's just a regular SATA drive. So let's check it out. Come on. Okay, nothing else in the box. Here's the drive. ADATA SU800. Let's see on the back. 2.5 SATA 6 GB per second SU800. And it doesn't say anywhere. Oh, here it is. Model number 1TT, which means 1 terabyte. Well, just a regular SATA drive with, let's see, aluminum casing. So hopefully they connected it to some of the chips for better cooling. Maybe not. And that's it, guys. Not much, just a regular SATA drive. Bye!